I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, answering the question of whether Sonicare is better than electric toothbrushes. And I think people get a little confused because this is an electric toothbrush. So a Sonicare brush, when you switch this on, it is going to have that electric cleaning function, and it's kind of like a much higher frequency. So you can hear it. It's buzzing and moves very quickly, but it's still electrically powered. So I think what people mean when they ask about this is, whether it's better than a brush that's just got kind of a battery powered spinning brush head instead of that sonic type of cleaning. And I think it's really down to personal preference. Any of these brushes are going to be, something that a lot of dentists have reviewed, and the companies are going to be providing a product, if you get it from a reputable company, that's going to clean your teeth. It's more a matter of what you personally prefer. And obviously what your dentist recommends as well. If there's any particular concerns you have, you should always check with the dentist about like sensitive teeth. There's certain models that might be better for that. In general, though, the nice thing with the sort of faster vibrations here, it's not that sort of spinning brush type of feel. It's just sort of, you put it in, you move it around. It's going very quickly, and it does help to clean things off in there. So I think that basically the bottom line is this is an electric toothbrush. And if you're comparing it to the sort of traditional spinning brush, I personally like it better. I think it's easier to just put the brush head on each tooth and just sort of move it along. And it doesn't have that feeling like you're at the dentist with the little rapidly spinning brush that they use to clean your teeth. But again, it's usually just down to personal preference. Some people might like that more traditional electric toothbrush experience.